In this video, I will show you how I edited this photo into something horrific. Yes. Welcome back to Daddy Studio, boys and girls. And today we are editing another photo and turning it into something monstrous, terrifying, and horrific one. And for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Daddy. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, give us some love and support. And I don't want to waste time anymore, and let's get right into it. First, I dropped the image that I need to use and cropped it out. You can use any tools that you are comfortable in cropping a photo. Now, I did put some eyeballs and masked it out so that the eyes would actually change. And then I used exposure to make it a bit darker so that it would blend on the image. Used exposure again to make some highlights near the pupil area. Then I used the reflection towards this black ball, should I say, and put it on the eye so that it would reflect some light on the pupil area. I used screen mode and masked it out. Now for the mouth, I masked it out and changed it into something devilish looking or vampire looking, as vampires don't wear braces. Then I used a vampire's teeth and masked it out. I also used warp so that it would take the shape of the original mouth rather than looking awkward. I duplicated the vampire's teeth for the lower part of the mouth and masked it again. I also used exposure to darken the teeth or the gums so that it would actually look like it's actually inside the mouth. Then I used an old man's face and aligned it with the face of the image so that the skin will actually roughen, and put some mask as well so that I could choose what parts should I be placing into the skin. Now I used a blood texture towards the mouth and put it on overlay and masked it out. At first, I also decided to put the blood texture towards the lower part of the neck or the chest, but I didn't feel satisfied, so eventually I removed it. For the teeth, I actually used some hue and saturation so that it would be bloody, and as well as hue and saturation for the skin, as it looks very lively and vampires look a bit pale. I masked out the lips part so that it would still maintain its redness, as everything is actually pale. I then adjusted the color of the skin as it looks black and white, so I did put some colors back onto it. And then I used exposure to put some shadows on the side of the face so it would actually be a bit more dramatic. For the background, I added a new layer and used the smoke brush to put some depth onto the image, and used Gaussian blur so it will be more realistic. At the end, I used camera raw filter to enhance my image so it will be more dramatic. And there you have it, boys and girls, and that is how I edited something into a monstrous and terrific and scary vampire. If you like a video, what are you waiting for? Smash that like button. And for those of you who are new to the channel, again, it's for free. Subscribe to the channel to give us the support and love that you have. And I hope to see you on the next video. And remember, who's your daddy now? Alright, so peace.
I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits.